group in Jieneng's embedded system class, and we're doing this final design, an IoT cat teaser. And my name is Wanlin Li. You can call me Lisa.
I'm Jieneng. You can call me Mana.
Okay, so now let's go over some components before we get into the demo.
Here's the main parts of our cat teaser. Is a robotic arm controlled by a little toy we attach to our robotic arm. Then we have Android phones running an RSTP video streaming server there, and also we get our own user interface, which has a joystick that control our app and also have a video streaming window. For the hardware parts, we have two main microcontrollers. One is my Arduino 1000, Micro 1000, which connects to the Cornell Wi-Fi network. Another one is just Arduino Uno, which control the robotic arms. So those are the main components of our cat teaser. So let's start our demo.
Okay. Oh, I think we forgot to tell about the infrared sensor.
Yeah.
So that's actually the part detects the cat, and if the cat moves nearby, and it's supposed to send a signal to the user phone, and it's going to pop up a notification. So now let's get started with the robot. Okay.
Alright. So first we trigger the sensor here.
And the cat is nearby.
The cat is nearby, and our user can enter our user interface and start to tease them. We set up the robotics arms runs as two modes. One is auto mode, another is manual mode. When this time is in the manual mode, the user can use our joystick on our user interface to control the robotic arm. Then, when the user switch to auto mode, our robotic arm starts to move automatically.
I think it's all stuck around the servo.
Right.
Oh, it's supposed to move around.
Yeah, and then the whole thing is automatically tease our cats. Also, in this time, the whole movement of our robotic arm is recorded and streaming through our IP camera. Then we switch to auto mode.
Is this auto mode?
Oh, it's manual mode. So
okay.
Here's our home project introduction. Thank you.
Thank you.